Market 2379 are leaving airspace to the north, Denver Center's offline, radar service is terminated for exchange approved.
Roger, orders Isaac, American 2276.
Yep.
Yep.
Albuquerque Center, United 636 Heavy, ready to taxi, information you leave. United 636 Heavy, runway 8, taxi via Charlie 11 Bravo. Alright, Charlie 11 and then Bravo for 636 Heavy. And United 636 Heavy, sorry, I got turned around there. Charlie 4 Bravo, not Charlie 11. Yeah, I was looking at that and I was wondering what the heck. Charlie 4 Bravo for United 636 Heavy. A little bit more coffee today, I guess. Yeah, man, I don't blame you. I got the Red Bull. Any vodka? Maybe later. 5 o'clock. Actually, probably it's 5 o'clock. It's 1700 somewhere. Shut up, Josh Block. Tiger 653, flighting 270. Tiger 653, descend to maintain 8,000.
And Albuquerque Center, November 79835, ready to go, runway 3.
November 79835, Roger, standby. South 1872, wind 17010, gusting 16, runway, clear to land. Tiger 683, 5 miles from Cantor, flighting 010, maintain 7,500 until established on the localizer. You're clear the localized DME, runway 4 approach. JetBlue 1190, leaving airspace, Denver Center's offline, radar services terminated, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, see ya!
Later. Alright, American 1647, Roger, standby. November 79835, wind 110 on departure flight runway heading, runway 3, clear for takeoff.
On departure runway heading, runway 3, clear for takeoff, 79835.
And American 1647, Albuquerque Center, you said you're ready to go? American 1647, Roger, runway 4, taxi via Lima, hold short on Alpha.
100. 50.
Tiger 683, El Paso wind 120 gusting 17, runway 4, clear to land. November 79835, ident. November November 79835, ready to contact 1 mile north-northwest of the Goodyear Airport, altitude indicates 2,200, climb maintain, flight level tree 70, and I'll get you on turned on course here in just a second.
Climb maintain 370 and we'll wait for that, thanks, 79825.
American 1647, just hold short there, you got landing traffic. And the other aircraft calling second. Southwest 1872, roger, join Sierra Delta departing. United 636, you can be ready upon reaching.
AFIR for 636 Heavy.
United 636 Heavy, roger, wind 17010, gusting 16, runway clear for takeoff.
8 clear for takeoff, United 636 Heavy.
November 79835, turn right, proceed direct Albuquerque, you are on course.
Right, direct Albuquerque viewer, thanks, 79825.
Albuquerque Center, good day, Southwest 543, ready for taxi at Sky Harbor.
Sorry, 201, calling for taxi, say again.
Southwest 543, just at, the Phoenix Sky Harbor, just ready for taxi.
Southwest 543, roger, runway 7 left, taxi via Delta Sierra Echo.
Runway 7 left, Delta Sierra Echo, Southwest 543.
X-ray Alpha Golf November Sierra Albuquerque Center. Roger, stand by.